Hello guys, welcome to AKS. Today in this video I'm going to do the sound test of the FND F6000U, which is a 8 inches subwoofer of 57 watt RMS, and the speakers are of 3 inches speakers. Of the center speakers is of 14 watt RMS, and the rear and the front speakers are of 13 watt RMS. So the total output is 123 watt RMS, whereas the PMP for the woofer and the speakers is 6500 watt PMPO. So in front we are getting some getting a display, some switches out there. At the side we are getting the USB and SD card slot, and it's a whole cabinet is made up of wood. Okay, so now I'm going to play some songs, then I will tell you how the sound quality is and how's the bass. So guys, as you heard the sound quality, the bass, the loudness, everything, the one word to describe this beast is awesome. It's awesome, man. The sound, the bass and everything is very clear. It shakes my doors and windows, man. It's shaking everything. It's a damn good thing, man. It's creating a thumping bass there. And if you want a home theater under 10,000 rupees, you can surely go for it. But you're not getting any Bluetooth. But for Bluetooth, you can use the Bluetooth audio receivers, which is around 200 rupees or 500 rupees. You can use them. And if you want a home theater with a heavy bass and better sound quality and clarity, you can go for this one. And one more thing, guys, I know my English is not very good, but still I'm doing it because I know many of my friends, many of my viewers don't understand Hindi. That's why I'm trying to make a video in English so that you can get a better understanding of what I'm trying to say, how's the sound quality and bass quality. So this is a damn good thing. If you want a home theater under 10,000 rupees, you can go for it. It's worth every penny. And hope you like my video. If you like my video, you can like it, share it, or comment it. Thank you guys for watching. Jai Mata Di. And in my next video, I'm going to compare it with the Philips SPA8000B, SPA5220B, SPA5250B, FND5060X, FND8000U, and the Sony D100. If you guys want this type of videos, please hit the like button, and I will make a video for that. Thank you guys for watching. Jai Mata Di.